Hi, coming to you from port to port. I am Spiritual Butterfly. I got something in the mail and I want to show it to you guys, so stay tuned. Hi, cruisers. Spiritual Butterfly here, coming to you from port to port. Where we talk about everything cruising, even if it's your first time or you almost a veteran and you think you know it all, but there's a lot of things that I didn't know and I'm still learning, so this is the place to be. Now, as I said, I love it that y'all come back to see me, especially my subscribers. And if you are new today and just happen to be watching today, I appreciate you as well. Please like and subscribe because like help push this video out for me, okay? So now let's get to it. I got in the mail. Yes, I did, but anyway, what about my song? It's my Princess Medallion. I've been waiting for this, and yes, I love this. I love it. Yeah, so this right here would be my first Princess cruise. So, oh, and it got QR code on the side, and there's Princess, and it's in a nice little box here. So let's see what we got in here. Now, I had this ordered to the house so that way I could be in the green lane. The green lane helps you get through faster. You know, a lot of people wait till the last minute because they can't upload stuff because they use their birth certificate and not a passport. So they have to upload and then upload a card, you know, so that way it could be used because whatever you have on your medallion, that exactly what's going to be on, that's going to be used to take it from there. So a lot of people go through that line and everything. Or some people just put cash on there as well. And so that way they don't have to use their card. But once they spend that card, you know, it's just a whole bunch of stuff. But see, I'm bypassing all that because I done everything on my checklist. And now I have my medallion. Oh, look at it. I got this one. You can customize it. Oh, I hope you can see it. You can customize it. And I customize it with my birthstone. That's what I did. All my information is on here. It also has my name written across and the sale date. I don't want y'all to know my real name. That's why I want y'all to call me Spiritual Butterfly. But anyway, yep, that's it. And oh my gosh, it is lovely. Yep, that's it. So take it out, and up underneath it is the keychain I ordered. See, I wanted to have something to clip it on. So this is what I'm going to use because I like keychains. I collect keychains. So, but this is like a little clip. I'm going to stick my little medallion inside here. And I can clip it on to my bag. And that way I ain't got to worry about it on my watch. I was going to do a watch. But I have a watch on. And that's the only arm I want to hold. And then if I have bracelets, I put it over here. So, but yeah, this is the clip. So it's kind of considered as my keychain. And also inside as well is the one that comes with it automatically that you get to come with it. That's the clear one. And it also goes on top of, comes with, oh, this is some, it's way down in there. Sorry. I guess you're supposed to prep these before you do the video. But inside there is a lanyard as well. Yeah, it's a lanyard as well. So, you pull it out. And this is what comes with it for free if you don't want to order anything like a band or a bracelet or a necklace or keychain. This comes with it, and they can send this to you, and then you also have your lanyard on the inside that you can also use as well. I'm not using no lanyard. Yeah, I'm not going to use it because I have the clip. I don't like stuff hanging around my neck. And being that, you know what? No, it won't go on here at all. Because I was going to take it and stick it on here too and stick it through my purse. Then my bag that I carry, but no. But that's it. It's the little hoop in that one and the lanyard in here. So I'm not going to use the lanyard because I don't like stuff hanging on my neck. And that being said, go ahead and put this back in the box. So, but that's everything. So here and on the back of it, it says medallion class. Yeah, medallion class. But anyway, this is it. And it's my birthstone. And I'm going to take it and put it inside this clip. So that way, once I get to the port, this right here, all I got to do is show this and show my passport. And I'm done. And I can whiz on by everybody else and get aboard Princess. So that's it about that. So now, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down in there. I like answering questions. I do. And on top of that, I'll let you know more about my cruise that I'm going on too. So stay tuned. The next one I'm going to show you how to use the Princess app. So thanks for watching. And y'all have a marvelous, marvelous day, night, evening, whatever time it is.